Did you know that you can easily run Windows 11 and Linux Mint on the same machine? Let's explore how to drill both Windows 11 with Linux Mint. Right-click on Start, Disk Management, choose OneDrive, right-click, select sharing volume. Right here 3 with 40, it means 30,000 megabit. It is around 29 GB. Then click on shrink. We create this drive. Right click, new sample volume, next, next. Assign the following drive letter. Choose one name. I want to choose A drive. Next. Volume label. Right here Linux Mint. Next, finish. We create one drive around 29 GB. Open your favorite browser, type Linux Mint, press enter. Open this first link, it is the official website of Linux Mint. 22 is the latest version of Linux Mint. Click on download. Scroll down. Click in this black button download. Find your location. Then download Linux Mint. When you download the Linux Mint, open new tab. Search for BinaHR. Hit enter. Open the first link. Download BinaHR. Here is BinaHR for different operating systems like Linux, Mac, Windows. I want to download for Windows. When you download Bina and Mint Linux, you need to connect one USB flash drive. Right click on BinaHR, run as administrator. Yes. Select flash from files. Find Mint Linux ISO. Select target. Your USB flash drive will list automatically. Just select flash. Flashing. This step will take a few moments. The flashing process finished. Close it. Restart your system. When you restart, press boot key. It is a list of boot key for different hardware. Select a USB device. Start Linux Mint. Make sure to connect your device to the internet. Now, we don't install Mint Linux permanently. We can do anything we want, but when we restart the system, everything will gone. Let's install permanently. Double click on Install Linux Mint. Select language. Next. Keyboard layout. Next. Or continue. Install multimedia codes. Select continue. Select something else. Continue. Find the drive we created before. We create this drive, it is around 30 GB. Click on change. Use as. Select ext4. Now select this backward slash. OK. Device for boot. Select Windows. Install now. Select your country, continue, enter your name, enter password, short password. Okay, I want to write long one. Here we have three options. Log on automatically, it means you don't need to enter password. Require my password to log in, it means we need to enter password when we log in. Put as default, continue. This step will take around 10 to 20 minutes. It is depend on your device. Restart now. Hit enter. In this page you can select Linux and also you can select Windows. First let us select Linux or Mint Linux. Enter your password. Now you successfully installed two operating systems on one device. Let us run Windows. Restart. Select Windows boot. Guys, if you want to install Windows 11 on unsupported device, then watch this video.